Okay, so to get to your cabin air filter, it's basically behind your glove box. So you pull that down, and then you have a tab on either side that you want to basically loosen up. Press that down, and then that gives you access to this little actuator. You kind of push off to the side, and then everything in your glove box will probably fall out. And then that is what you're looking for compartment-wise. And then you have these two little tabs on the other side that you want to kind of push out of the way. And then that will pull that out. And then your air filter, make note of the airflow indicator there. So you pull that out, and you can tell that is kind of on the dirty side. So we'll put that out of the way. And then on our replacement air filter, you can kind of see where it says airflow down on that. Flow, since it's printed on the side, this one basically gets pushed in like this. And then you just kind of push that side to side so it's back in. Then you close that. And then you have your tabs that you pull across, and then it snaps into place. Okay, and then there you go. Okay, and then you put everything back in your glove box. You push that up, and you want to get your little actuator arm here. Get that back in place, snapped. And then you're good to go. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.